Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Canva website. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the Websites section. You'll find a wide array of templates to kickstart your project. Select one that aligns with your vision, then begin customizing. This initial step sets the foundation for your unique online presence, making it simple to get started right away. Now, let's dive into designing. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes arranging elements effortless. You can easily add text boxes, images, and even videos to enrich your pages. Remember to check the responsiveness of your design across different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure a great user experience for everyone visiting your site. Next, focus on your content and features. Canva allows you to integrate interactive elements such as contact forms, maps, and direct links to your social media profiles. Pay attention to your text, ensuring it's clear and concise for your audience. Regularly preview your site to catch any typos or layout issues before it goes live. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Canva offers options to publish with a free domain or connect your own custom domain name. Once published, share your new website link widely across your social media channels and other platforms. Don't forget to monitor its performance and make updates as needed to keep your content fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.